In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fluffy rice in an instant pot that turns out perfectly every time. This is what you're going to need. You can change the amount of rice, but you just need to double the amount of water. Now, the instant pot I'm using is the Mealdy Instant Pot, but this can work with any instant pot. First, you're going to wash the rice as usual about 3 to 4 times until the water runs clear. And then you're going to add this rice to the instant pot. And also add in the water and add in some salt if you want to. Then you're going to put on the lid. Then you're going to set this knob to the sealing position, and the knob should be a bit wobbly, that's completely fine. And then switch on the main power button and click on pressure cook. And then you're going to set the time for 6 minutes. You can use the plus minus buttons to do that. The pressure level is high by default, but if it's not, just make sure to click on it and set it to high. And then the instant pot will turn on automatically and start preheating. After some minutes, it will start cooking on its own. Here it is cooking for 6 minutes, and after 6 minutes, it will automatically go to keep warm setting. You're going to leave it on this setting for 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, just switch the knob from sealing to venting. I'm using the back of a spoon to do this because you can get burned by the steam. And then you can open the lid and serve your rice. You can see it's so nice and fluffy and perfectly done. If you use this method, you'll get soft and fluffy rice every time. Subscribe for more recipes and I will see you soon. Bye.